Facebook, how to unblock. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can unblock on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to unblock on Facebook, go ahead and launch the Facebook application first. Once you launch the Facebook app, if you have blocked some people, tap the three lines option from the top right, tap the gear icon to come to the settings page here. Once you come to the settings page, here you should be able to see different sorts of information, where under the audience and visibility tab, you can see the option called blocking. So make sure to tap the blocking option, and here you'll be able to see a list of people that you have blocked. So if you want to unblock a certain person, tap the unblock option on the right hand side and confirm the changes. This way you will be able to unblock on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.